Hi Tarot friends, this is Ultraviolet Morgan with a very quick update on the Color Your Own Tarot card deck. We have the Six of Wands. This is a blue ribbon and this is a trophy.
And okay. I made it.
And obviously Journey made it. And this is the Tower card. And we both made it. He did everything you see except the flower, these two, which are lilies. So he didn't know how to do the star shape pattern, so he asked me to do that. And these are roses. So roses and lilies, because he said he wanted to draw flowers, and he thought it was funny to put flowers in the Tower card. And I said, well, there's a lot of flowers in our traditional tarot deck, and there's a lot of roses and lilies. So that's what he wanted to draw to pay tribute to the traditional tarot tradition of roses and lilies. Thank you for watching. Be sure to
like and subscribe.
Until next time, tarot friends, be well.